In this video, I will show you how to filter the newest videos from your favorite YouTube channels and turn them into a newsletter, which is going to be sent to you via Telegram. This is our workflow. How it works: every 8 hours, it fetches YouTube videos from the channel. I have chosen Matt Wolf's channel. He's one of the best channels for AI in this space. You can subscribe to him. He's really good. Editing the fields. We are using filter node, filter the videos from the last 3 days, sort them by descending order, and loop through them, getting their transcript with SupaData, making this transcript into one text, feeding the text into Gemini. We've got our system prompt here, which is writing the text, sending it through Telegram. This is the message you're going to receive. Main highlights of the video, all the links, clickable links for the tools that are mentioned in the video. And this is the video link. So if you want to watch it, you can just click and make sure you watch the video. Let's go node by node now. And if you want to skip the building, go down in the description. The link is going to be included for free. You can download this template. Okay. We are using schedule trigger. You just go write schedule. Use schedule trigger. The settings are on between triggers 8 and hours. So every 8 hours is gonna run. RSS node. Get the RSS node, and you have to use this link: YouTube feeds video XML channel ID, and after the equal sign here you can put whatever channel ID you want, and in order to get the channel ID of the person that you want to get the latest videos, you go to the channel, click more, and here you can share channel and copy channel ID, and you just come and put it here. That's it. In the edit fields node, we are getting the title just to clean the data and make sure it's consistent, the link of the video, and the publishing date. And the date is converted in milliseconds, so we can then in the filter node, we are getting the filter node now, and here with these milliseconds now we can compare if the video publish date is greater than date now minus this is the formula to get the milliseconds for the 3 days before today. So this is now minus 3 days before today, and it's going to compare the numbers. And also the link doesn't contain shorts, because if you leave it, you're going to get messages for shorts as well. And if you don't want to get messages for shorts, just make sure that you include this. You just click add condition and just drag and drop JSON link. Does not contain shorts, and that's it. It's gonna give only the long form videos. Then we get the sort node. In the sort node, we just drag and drop publishing date, pub date, and in descending order. So sort them in descending order, starting from the newest video. Then if there are more than one video, because now we have 15 videos, and it's filtering and just keeping the recent one. But if there are 2 or 3 videos, we're gonna loop through them. We are putting the loop node, then get transcript with HTTP request, and I'm using SupaData AI. SupaData is this website. This is SupaData, YouTube Transcript API for makers. You can get 100 free requests per month, and this is without any credit card or anything. You just come to supadata.ai, YouTube Transcript API, and you can use it 100 transcripts per month for free. You just come to documentation, YouTube transcript, and you can come here. Instead of node, you just click curl, copy this URL, come and put it here. And then instead of this URL, because this is some video URL, after transcript URL, you're just gonna click expression and drag and drop the URL of the video that we have filtered, and it's gonna transcribe the video and give us the transcription. For authentication, when you paste the curl URL, HTTP request, copy the curl, import curl, and just paste it here. Click import, and as you can see, this is gonna transcribe this video. So you have to change the URL in the, you just drag and drop the URL from the previous node, and here you have to put your API key. Where you can find your API key, log into SupaData, come home, and here API keys, create an API key. And when you create the API key, just you can click copy here, paste it here, and that's it. Or if you want to avoid this every time writing your API key or to leak it, you can do it by using this authentication. Just come here, click generic credential type, auth type header auth, and just click create new credential. On name you write X API key, and on the value just copy and paste your API key. Click save, make sure you rename the account to know that is for SupaData, and that's it. And then when you come here, you just click SupaData and you can remove this, so you're not gonna send these headers. And when you click execute step with the URL of the video, it's gonna give you the transcription of the video. Then we are using the code node because we are getting the transcription with the offset and the duration of every sentence. To clean this data and make it into one single text, this code node and everything is gonna be included down in the description. When you download your SOP package for this video, you're gonna get the whole template and code node, the system prompt here as well. Then we are using Gemini here in order for it to be free. You are getting your Google credentials. I'm gonna put the video how to get your Google credentials above. You can go to see how to get your credentials. Click new credential, put your credentials in, choose Gemini 2.5 Flash because it's a free model. And then here we're just gonna feed title of the video. We just come in here to the sort or loop, get the title, this URL. So this is the URL of the video. Get the URL of the video, date of the video, get the date, and on the date we are formatting it with to date time, just converting this seconds to date time, and then formatting it to look like this. And then we are feeding the test. This is your content and the full text here, transcript of the video. Then we are adding other options, system message. This is the system prompt. This is going to be included in the link as well. You just copy and paste in the system prompt. And then this AI is going to generate ready for Telegram newsletter type message with all of the information and everything from this video. And this is how the message will look. AI news roundup. This is the date, catch up with latest AI news tools and everything. And these are the main highlights. Google's Opal lets you build and remix mini AI mini apps for custom workflows. Google Opal. You can click and go to the auto links. So you can straight away have all the links and everything included here. And you can check the full video as well. And this is how you can get from your favorite YouTubers every day. You're gonna get the summary of the new video, what tools are used in the video, how they are used, and also the links to the tools, so you can check them by yourself and decide which one you can use. That way you can consume a lot of content and you can have all of the links to the new tools that maybe you miss while watching the videos. This is gonna be it for this. So the filter node is really important, if node. But the difference between if node and filter node is in the if node, if we put, for example, in the if node, if we put the same conditions as here, it's gonna give us true or false. So we can route out our workflow, go in some way. But if you want to just filter and keep certain items, for example, here are 600 or 700 items, and you want to just keep specific items and just discard the rest of them, you use the filter node. As you can see, you just put in here your rules and it is filtering all of the items that you don't need, and straight away they are discarded. And after that you continue with the clean data, clean items, and you can do whatever you want after this node. We're gonna continue with the beginner series. So next I'm gonna cover merge node, HTTP request node, code node, weight node. And after that, we're going to start building more advanced workflows, AI agents, and all kind of functionalities. But I wanted to go through all of the main nodes that you're going to use almost in every workflow. So to deeply understand them and to know where and what node to use. And also, I have started with installing NA10. So you can start from zero to watch there. And after that, I'm covering in this beginner series all of the main nodes and functionalities, and then we build up our foundation. Then we're going to continue with more complex systems and to the advanced workflows. You can join my email list down below from the link. Just click the link, fill your email, fill whatever content you want to see in future from me. You're going to start receiving my every new video, a notification, what is the video about, and you're going to get updates for my future projects, and you're not going to miss any free templates or free work. So if you find this video helpful, please make sure you like, subscribe, and see you on the next one. Thank you.